washed my collard greens. Now, I enjoy the stems. I like to cut them pretty small, and because I think they're like meaty, and I always cook the stems with my collards. And these look really good and fresh. So we're gonna get to making some today. Chop, chop. I just threw these on top of the, well, I took out the onions and the ham, and then just let this render down a little bit in that fat before you add your liquids, whatever liquids you're going to use. I use a little chicken rub and water, and then these will be simmering all day, and then I will season later and put my goodies back in and let them simmer the rest of the day. So we're going to let these sit and just get fatty. Okay, we're gonna start getting these cooking. Turn this up a little bit so we can get a rumble. Wish you could smell these right now. They smell so delicious. I mean, nothing even in them yet.